Here's the startup procedure on the 43 by 20 foot Kariba. Your main power coming in, 440 volt. You've got two sets of leads here that you need to connect. One is for the panel, one is for the variable speed drive, variable frequency drive. With the power turned on, okay? You have to energize the panel using start. And while you're here, you want to select whether you're at a pot speed on the variable speed or if you want to go to your standard speeds in the headstock. We'll go over to the standard speeds in the headstock for right now. Pushing the 1-to-2 ratio button brings on our main motor. Here's your rapid traverse. I'm going to turn the spindle on. There's your power compound. Pushing the feed button here. There's feed start, feed stop. I'm going to stop it. Rotate this handle, disengage the power compound. I'm going to engage the cross slide. This handle here and this handle here has to be in the up position. Push feed stop. And I'm going to bring the feed down to the carriage. So disengage that. Take this handle and bring it down into the down position. And now feeding the carriage. You can also see in the DRO. Now I'm going to switch it over to variable. While you're at it, guys, you want to show them. Got the follow rest, your chip pans, assorted stuff, including your tool holders, a couple of change gears, boring bar. So now I'm going to take this switch here and switch it over to speed pot. Here's where your speeds are variable. Bad panel placement at the moment. So you've got to engage on the carriage, your forward spindle. Forward. And I can control the speed here.
I'm gonna try and get the spindle and you. I can't. Alright, go ahead.
side note, this micro switch here will stop everything. You'll need to shut the machine off and reset it.
Do you want to stop it?